Tired of contract chaos? Discover the streamlined solution with Pandadoc. In the demanding world of business, having your contracts in order is not just beneficial. It's essential. This guide introduces you to Pandadoc, your all-in-one platform for crafting, managing, and signing legally robust agreements with unparalleled ease, from leveraging pre-built templates to customizing every detail. Pandadoc empowers you to take total command of your business deals. Begin your journey by logging into your Pandadoc account. Upon landing on your dashboard, you'll notice a clear and accessible Create Document button. Click this to initiate the creation process. Pandadoc offers a rich repository of templates designed for every business scenario to expedite the process and ensure a professional starting point. We'll select Use a Template. Navigate the extensive template library or employ the search function to pinpoint the exact document you require for this demonstration. We'll choose an employment offer letter. Select it to begin editing. Customization is straightforward. Pandadoc's interactive fields allow for simple editing. Click on any designated field, such as employee name or job title, and input your specific information. You can also readily update dates, company details, and other critical data. To incorporate unique elements, use the Add Content or Add field menu. This feature enables you to insert various components like text boxes, drop-down menus, checkboxes, or even detailed pricing tables, allowing you to perfectly tailor your contract. For consistent custom clauses, the clause library is invaluable. Save and reuse frequently used legal language to maintain uniformity and accuracy across all your agreements. Simply click Add Clause Library and select the desired clause for insertion. If your contract involves financial details, the Pricing tab streamlines the process. Add products or services with their prices, and Pandadoc automatically computes the totals, ensuring clarity for all parties involved. Before sending, a review of the document settings is recommended here. You can assign roles like client or signer and manage permissions, ensuring appropriate access to specific sections of the agreement. Once your contract is finalized, it's time to send. Click the Send button, and you'll see options to dispatch it directly via email. You also have the option to include a personalized message. Pandadoc facilitates a seamless experience for recipients, allowing them to review, edit, if permitted, and electronically sign documents directly through their email, significantly speeding up the approval cycle. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional and legally sound contract. Using Pandadoc, effortlessly manage all your agreements and secure your business deals with confidence. Visit Pandadoc today and transform your contract management.